Well, hello there, and welcome back to AST Floors. FiberFloor is great for your bathrooms, it's great for your kitchen, it's great for your laundry room. Today, we're going to show you an install in a bathroom, a small bathroom, but even the smallest of spaces could leave the biggest impression. Today we're going to take you on a little bit of a journey into the world of FiberFloors. Today, we get the luxuries of going out and installing a bathroom. At Athabasca Stone and Tile, if you're looking to install some linoleum yourself, just come on down. We'll set you up with the right install products and we'll set you on your way. Don't be shy to call for advice. Well, let's just get right into it. Once again, here at Athabasca Stone and Tile, if you're looking for advice or installation on advice, just come on down, send us an email, send us a phone call, or just stop on in our showroom and we'll set up an install for you. Or we'll give you the right advice and send you home with the right install supplies to set that line away. Well, that wraps up another install here at Athabasca Stone and Tile. We'd like to give a big shout out to Rocky Lane Fairways and Recreation, family, fun for all ages. So if you're looking to get out there and work on your swing, they got a real nice setup. Don't forget to check out Rocky Lane.